Hello guys, welcome back, and remember that tomorrow is the Bank of Japan. It's the decisive day for you that are trading USD JPY, and you have to listen to what I'm about to tell you, all right? But before we go any further, don't forget that we do have a webinar tonight from 5 to 6 p.m. As well, if you don't know how to get the link to join the webinar, calm down, it's all good. Just go to the description of the video and click into the Telegram link, and you will be redirected to the Telegram. Join, and then I will send you the link over there as soon as it hits 5 p.m. in Australia time. Please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up. And now that you are here, it's because you are probably looking to trade USD JPY. We did have a little bit of I have the chart in front of me. We did have a little bit of a retracement yesterday from 155 to 0.220 now to 156.650. So more than 1,000 points, so more than 100 pips. And I don't think it will continue to be like that. I think there's a big players, constructing, putting up some big positions as well as the Bank of Japan comes up to a close. So we do have an expectation of 25 basis points to be made. My opinion is that's correct. I do believe on a 25 basis points hike, but there's one thing that everyone is forgetting about. Remember that from the day of 13, let me just double check if that was the date. Yeah, the 13 to 14, we had weather coming in. It was on a Thursday, I remember that. I had some long positions on USD JPY, and I saw weather talking about a potential outcome of the next meeting of the Bank of Japan. And I was like, that's interesting, but that may be only forward guidance. Well, I was wrong, because he was very serious. He's been very serious about we're gonna hike 25 basis points because we can and because we need. And a week gone, I looked it up again and I saw USD JPY just melting down. I was like, there's something happening here. And that is called forward guidance. Basically, when the president or the chairman of a central bank give a speech to someone or goes into the media that the intention of the next meeting is to do this, that, or whatever, with a guidance of hawkish or dovish, basically they trying to not manipulate the market, but they're trying to give hints on what will happen in a couple of weeks or in a couple of days. So most likely what we can have is a 25 basis points hike, but not much with a movement. I was sort of expecting much more movements on USD JPY to the downside, but indeed I don't believe that we may have the huge movement that I was expecting anymore, because that 25 basis points is priced in. So what does that mean is basically the 25 basis points is widely expected. What is not expected is the statement. So we have to pay attention on the statement, not only anymore into the rate hike. If they hike, that's good. Everyone was expecting that. If they continue saying on the statements that the majority of the Bank of Japan, the members are committed to continue to hike if the economy continue to grow and inflation continue to persist, then yes, my friends, we will have a huge move. And the carry trade into the Japanese yen most likely will finish, okay? So now you know how to trade USD JPY, but maybe you're missing something. Yes, you're missing the entry point, you're missing the take profit, you're missing the stop loss. And that's exactly what I will be giving out tonight on my webinar. So again, if you're not on the Telegram group, what are you doing? Just go into the description of the link, click the video, click in the link, and you will be redirected to the Telegram, and I will send you the link when we start the Zoom call. As soon as we start the Zoom call, we'll send you the link into the Telegram. All right, guys, take care. I see you tomorrow, and have all a great day ahead. See you. Bye-bye.